We're here at Old Mill Village. Oh my gosh, you could feel the heat coming from out of there where they were working on that metal. Pigeon Forge Soap Company. Look at this little guy. Sandman's Workshop. Taffy. Excuse me. There's also some neat little shops down this way. And there's a bookstore if it's open. Because last time I was down here it wasn't open. But if it is, it's cute. Bread. Yes, there it is. It is open. Long story short. That's what it's called. That's me. So over there is the Twisted Vessel Gallery. Down there is Espresso Yourself. And then past that is the Cat House. it is the old mill, and it's one of the only functioning mills in the United States. And it is fully functional. Of course, the water is not high enough right now, but when the water's higher, it does spin around. So yeah. Oh, there's the trolley. You know, I liked that trolley ride so much, I think I'm going to do another one tonight. Over there is a shop called Try My Nuts. Beside it is the tie-dye store. Outback Leather. Gosh, there is so much to see, so much to do. There's the Old Mill Restaurant. Oh my gosh. You could come down here, stay for a month, and never do everything that there is to do. And of course, I stepped and then somebody else stepped in a mud puddle. Yep, and they got it all over my shoes. Didn't even say I'm sorry or excuse me. Okay, so we're done here at the Old Mill Village. But join me for my next video, and I'll see you then. Love you guys. Bye.